ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 Yamaha Star Eluder. So this is a really cool bike. I'm going to be able to ride it and enjoy it today, courtesy of, Yamaha Savannah.
So what do you do if you want a street glide without the Harley? Well, your search is over. Yamaha has come up with an answer. They took the venture and turned it into a bagger by sending it to Action Hero School, sprinkling in some black accents and Chuck Norris beard hairs. And the result is the 2018 Star Eluder. Prices start at $22,500, which is smack dab in street glide territory. Packing 126 pound-feet of torque from the beefy 113 cubic inch 1854cc V-twin engine, giving you traditional V-twin grunt and, thanks to a reworked 6-speed transmission, velvety smooth power delivery. While it is certainly low-revving, and it is a big boy at 875 pounds, it doesn't feel like a slouch at all. The Eluder is a bruiser, mean and lean, with dashing good looks and an exhaust note to match. With several creature comforts like a 7-inch LCD infotainment center, 19 gallons of storage, and a comfy seat, you'll be tearing down I-95 to bike weekend style. The Eluder uses a key fob, and turning the bike on is a challenge for riders who are new to key fobs, as you can plainly see here. It's up to you to decide if the added security is worth it.
Okay, now it's off.
And lights and everything else.
Cool.
Got it?
This should be interesting. So this looks a very cool bike, very comfy. The seat's really comfy. I mean, right away I notice how comfortable the seat is. Brakes are nice and responsive. I'm not going to be able to test the speakers or anything. So it suffers from the same thing as some of these with a really short windshield up here, is I can already feel the wind is really up around my eye level. Nice balance. Very similar to the Street Glide. I like that all the gauges are nice and big and you can read them very clearly. Do have a tachometer. Brakes are nice and firm. The friction zone is about right where you would expect it to be. Yeah, the weight isn't too bad. Looks like we have some power outlets and storage compartments. Yeah, touchscreen radio. Not really going to mess with that though. All your basic stuff. This right here allows you to navigate the radio, the different modes. Cruise control. That'd be cool. This will be my first bike with cruise control. Neutral's easy to find. It does have a key fob, which is slightly weird. I like it. Now I don't know what that flashing means down there. Maybe something to do with the key fob. I'm not entirely sure. But nice bike. Good weight. I do feel a lot of heat down around my shins. I can definitely feel that. But the bike is somewhat comfy. Let me see if Sarah up here knows. Oh no, well it looks like we're just gonna go. It might be a key fob warning. It looks like a, I don't know, it looks like it could be a key fob warning. But I'm a very large rider. I'm 6'3" and some change. Well, I'm north of 350 pounds. And it's comfy. The seats, ample support for my buttocks. Floorboards are comfy. I'm at a very comfortable angle. The gas tank is above my knees. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Okay, that's fuel tank. So that unlocks the fuel tank. Little fuel tank door. Okay. I wonder if that's electric. And if that's electric, it's just one more thing to go wrong. I'm not sure that I'm a fan of the bulkiness of these up here. I don't think we're going to be able to really get her into some twisties. That first gear there, we run out of gear pretty quickly. But I don't think this bike isn't really made for that kind of thing. It's made to do this. Just sit back and cruise, and it's doing it very well. Brakes are again nice and firm. They're not overly grabby. Everything's very, I like the layout of everything up here. Like I said, it's easy to read, not very distracting either. I like it. It's comfy. The seat is comfy. The more I'm riding here, the more I like this seat. Now that first shift from first into second does feel like a long shift. I'm really having to shove it up to go into that second gear, but the downshifts are short, nice and crisp. Is that a power outlet? Some kind of power outlet. I don't know. Very nice bike. Go. So yeah, so I don't know what that warning is right there on the dash. It looks like some kind of key fob warning. Moves. Yeah. She moves, she corners well, she feels very balanced in the corners. And now I'm getting even more heat by my shins down here. Now we're gonna take my favorite road. Yeah, a nice bike, but it feels comfortable. It's got a nice sound to it. It doesn't sound gutless. At first it doesn't feel gutless. Plenty of power. Let's we go. Corners well. Alright, so let's see. This is... I'm familiar with these corners. So we're going to hang back a little bit. And we're really going to nail it through these corners. Bends over quite nicely and really holds that lean angle. And there go the floor pegs, so you know you can get at least that far over. But yeah, so this bike likes to get down in those corners. Don't want to pass him, he's going kind of slow though. So yeah, nice and nimble. Nice and nimble. This guy's riding pretty cautiously, which is fine. Brakes are nice and firm, shifts are nice and crisp, I like it. Balance is pretty good. I did scrape these floor pegs, they're quite large, but they're comfortable. I'm starting to smell, you know, that new bike heat smell. Plenty of power, enough, comfortable enough. Nice big mirrors. It's a lot like the Vaquero or the Street Glide. I like this big screen in front of me. I can clearly read the time, the radio station that it's on. Make sure we come to a complete stop here because I've seen cars come, they're gonna turn, so we're gonna go ahead. I like it. I'm not so sure about this heat. A lot of heat here and a lot of heat here. Now there's a lot of this stuff blocking the airflow, but I like it. Very comfortable, even for somebody of my size. You know, when I talk about nimble, it feels very nimble, very tossable. You can feel it in your ass. You know, you can feel it in your hands and your ass. Yeah, I like it. Would I pick it over a Street Glide? So, there's that. How you like that? It's a nice bike. Is that a 7? A 9? It's a nice bike. I'm getting a lot of like burning plastic smell from this. Yeah. But I like it. Twin gives it 2 thumbs up. If you're looking for something for a decent price, maybe you can't afford a $27,000 motorcycle, this would be a very good choice. Very nice bike. Yeah, I like it. And there we go. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.